Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com and I'm here with another one of my RocksBox unboxings. You guys know how much I love the subscription service. I've been subscribed to them for years and I'm so excited to continue the tradition of unboxing all of my RocksBox deliveries to you. So as you guys know, I have 3 pieces of designer jewelry in here. Now there's a new service where you can swap out pieces, so you get a notification, you get an email ahead of time telling you what your 3 pieces will be, and if you want to swap any of them, you can choose to swap earrings for a bracelet, for another pair of earrings, whatever you'd like. Really like that. And especially if you have like a certain look that you are going to dress up for, or an event that you have a special outfit for, then you can, I love that flexibility that you can swap out pieces. Or you could also notify your stylist ahead of time by writing them a little note. You can send them a picture of the outfit itself and they will pick out pieces that will go perfectly well for your outfit. Love that. All right, let's open this up. So here is the card that comes with every box. This gives me information about the pieces, but I kind of want to be surprised. Yes, I know what's in here, or I did know what's in here because I got that notification email, and I think I swapped one thing from here, but because it sits in my apartment for a few days, because I always want to film my unboxings, I forget what's in here. So I'm going to set this aside. Ooh, I got a little note here that says, limited time only, buy more, save more, details on the back. When you purchase more than 1 item from this box, the more you buy, the more you get. When you buy 2 items, you get $10 off. And when you buy all 3 items, you get $20 off. That's a really good deal. Good to know. Okay, little care card. And then here is the inside of the box. Ooh. Okay, so I'm seeing 2 Rudiment bags. I really like this designer. That's what I really love about RocksBox, is that they're introducing me to different jewelry designers and I'm starting to know which ones I really like. I really like Rudiment. And then there's this one that just says RocksBox. Let me open that one first. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh my goodness, okay. So these are a cluster of bracelets. Do they stretch? Oh yeah, they just stretch on. Okay, so these are these beaded bracelets, blue beads, black beads, and white beads, and then they have these gold toned little coins and little discs and little balls. Very, very cute. I'm gonna slip this on. Really cute. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like this. Now I'm going to open up the first Rudiment bag. Ooh, okay. I see, this kind of has like little gypsy vibes to it. I don't know. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. This is a necklace, a gold toned necklace. It's a layered necklace. It has 2 thin gold toned chains. One has little crystals on them and the other one has this disc, which if you don't recognize is an eye. And this is said to protect you from the evil eye. I mean, there are so many different cultures that believe in evil eye. I know mine certainly does. I know that my husband has this beautiful evil eye protector thing that's blue and white from Turkey. So it's definitely something that a lot of cultures believe in and will have these little things to protect you from the evil eye. So this is one of those. Oh, it's so pretty. How pretty is that? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love that. And now for the last Rudiment bag. I wanted this. I remember this. I remember this. This is a beautiful ring. How beautiful is that? Oh, I love it. So it is actually just one ring, but it has 5 little individual rings that kind of stick together at the back. I think this is so pretty. I might have to keep this. I might have to keep all of this. I just think it all goes so well together. It's so pretty. Definitely gives me like bohemian vibes. It's really pretty. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. What was your favorite piece? Do you think I should buy 1, 2, all of them? Let me know. I always love to hear your thoughts on this. All right, let's read that card. It says, "Hi Jessica, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. Add a boho touch to your outfit with the Seville bracelets by Wilde. The discs and colorful beads create a playful vibe. The Rudiment Sycamore layered necklace pairs nicely with many ensembles. Wear it alone or layered with your favorite chains. This Rudiment Broadway ring features 5 delicate rings that create a modern feminine look. Mix it up with your other bands for a variety of styles. Enjoy." The Wilde Seville bracelets in black, navy, and white retail for $55, but I could purchase it at a member discount of $46. The Rudiment Sycamore layered necklace retails for $75, but I could buy it for $63. And the Rudiment Broadway ring retails for $70, but I could buy it at a discount of $59. So there you go. And now you know that if I buy 2, I get $10 off. And if I buy all 3, I can get $20 off. So it's a lot to think about. A lot to think about. If you enjoy my RocksBox unboxings and want to try RocksBox out for yourself, then remember to hit that link in the description box below, which will take you to RocksBox. And when you sign up using that link, you will get your first month of RocksBox for free. That's right, for free. Now, I can usually fit in, if I'm really fast, like 3 boxes within a month. There's no limit to how many boxes you get per month, so you can potentially get 3 boxes to try out new jewelry, all for free, when you sign up using my link. But I have no doubt that you'll want to continue your subscription once you finish your first free month, because you will fall in love with it just like I did. All right, and that was everything that came in my RocksBox box. Again, I linked to everything in the description box below, so always check out the description box, because I link to all the products that I feature in my video, but as well as all of my social media platforms. Please take this time to hit that subscribe button and the notification button right next to it so that you can set up your notifications and get alerted whenever my videos go out. I make new videos every single week. I cover beauty, fashion, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.